Hey guys, so today I'm back with an unboxing and I'm really excited because what I have is something that I got from Louis Vuitton as a present. It was given to me early by my boyfriend, so this is our anniversary dash Valentine's Day present. So I already kind of took a peek at it, but I am going to unbox it here and show you guys what it is, my thoughts on it, and why I'm really excited that I have it. So here we go. He did buy this online and he picked up in store, and this is kind of how it came inside. The bag is just the receipt info. Since I didn't buy it, I will be keeping all that information because it won't be on my account. So you can probably guess maybe what it is, but I feel like this size box is what they put all of their small leather goods in. Obviously it's small, not one of the larger items. So here it is. Gonna open it up. It's in the dust bag. All right. Here we go. Maybe this dust bag is a little bit small for the item. There we go. I finally got it off. Okay, so here it is. This is the Louis Vuitton Recto Verso card holder, and this is in the Empreinte leather, and I believe this color is navy dash red. I'm not sure if the red has a special name to it, but yeah. Absolutely love it. Now I do find that depending on the natural light, it can look kind of black versus dark navy. Like right now, I feel like it's looking more black than blue, but this is just the natural light that I have right now. So let me open this up. This has the information right here. Doesn't have the price, but I believe the price is $765. It has 1, 2, 3 card slots, and you can use this to hold cards as well. It has this pocket here that you can put stuff in. And of course, it has the zipped portion that does have the traditional key holder. And for this to open it up, there we go, opens up. And that is what I got. This has been on my wish list for a very long time. I have a card holder from Louis Vuitton, but I felt like, and I also have a key pouch, but I do find that this is a little bit better for organization as an everyday wallet. Now, before I had this one, my everyday wallet was actually this wallet by Michael Kors. So it's kind of similar in the fact that this is leather as well. It has an ID holder and 1, 2 options for a card like that, and then it has a zipped portion. I actually use this, there's stuff on the inside, but it has something to hold your key just like this one does. So the main difference is on the other side, it doesn't have anything. So this is actually what I use every day at work. I work in an environment where I'm always using hand sanitizer at work in the medical field. So this has taken like a huge beating. I can wipe this down with a wet one if it gets dirty at work, which I necessarily wouldn't want to do with this one. But I do transfer everything I plan to into this wallet and use this as my everyday wallet when I'm not at work. This one is just easier at work, less maintenance versus worrying about this one because I kind of abuse this one. But it's held up like quite nicely considering I've had this for about 5 years and there's no real wear and tear, so love it. Got this for $25, so there is a huge difference. If you want something similar to the Recto Verso, I recommend getting this. You can buy it at Macy's, Bloomingdale's, they always are on sale, or Michael Kors, of course. But I do really like this wallet, and it makes it really easy at work. But this was on my wish list, so I am so excited to finally have it. I don't think I'll be buying any more wallets now that I have this. I normally don't. The red is very like bold. I don't know if I would buy a purse with this red lining. I probably in hindsight wish it was like black, a little less bold, but you know what? It's in my purse most of the time, so that's okay. Now let me show you guys what actually fits. So first, I'm going to start off with money. So unlike the key pouch, money you can just put in here. So if I open this up, just like that, only have to fold it once. Same thing on the inside. Oh, I don't know if I showed you guys this. Made in France. This is actually very important to me. I like items made in France. It's just my preference. So here's another $1 bill. As you can see, only have to fold it once. And it works perfectly. So I feel like this is a great option to put money. Now on here, normally what I would do is I will put my ID here and 3 other cards. So I have gift cards and such. So let me go ahead. I have this one here. Put one there as if that's where I would put my license. Put this over here. It's just a gift card. It's kind of a tight fit, but I'm sure it will loosen up over time. There we go. My Costco membership. Okay, so as you can see here, it holds 4 and it doesn't distort it at all. One thing about this item is that if you overstuff it, it starts to curve like this. And I want it to stay as straight as possible, but you know, I do plan on using it. So it doesn't distort it. It's still quite thin with the 4 cards. But I am someone who needs more than 4 cards. So I plan to put mostly money in here. So I have more money. Let's just go ahead. I don't plan on really putting cards here. I think I would put my like, let's see, that's actually quite a lot. Let's see if it closes. I didn't, you know what? I think that's actually 2, nope, it closes. It's a little bulky, I would say, because it kind of sticks out. Let me remove some of the money. All right, let's try that there. Yeah, so that closes easier. So let's see. I'll see how many ones that is in a bit. So I have some extra cards. So I have 4 cards here. Let me put those on the inside. And there you go. So I currently have 8 cards, bunch of $1 bills, and it looks amazing. It's not distorted at all. There's a little bit of a curve, but not really. Now you could, if you want to, put stuff here. So if you wanted to just put money there, wouldn't advise it. As you can see, the money kind of sticks out. Maybe you can put receipts or other things there, but let's see how many dollar bills fitted in that section. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, $4 bills. Now, let's say you wanted to put like cards in this section. Like, let's say you want to actually put your keys, like your house key in there, then I would probably put the cards here. But I feel like over time, if you put cards in this section, it starts to make it a bit bulkier. Like you can kind of see, actually it's not that bad. I'm not going to try and put the max amount of cards in here. I'm sure you can really bulk it up, but I kind of want it to be slim. So I think holding 8 cards is perfect. You can easily put 4 in here and not distort it. You can put your keys on the inside and then put 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is great. Very compact. I love how organized it is, and I definitely would recommend this item. Now, let me see. I can't recall if I told you guys the price, but right now online, this is available. This is the navy color. You can get it in black and gold hardware, $765. Now, if you do want the canvas one, it is cheaper by like $100. I believe it's $665 if you want the reverse monogram, but if you just want Demira Ben or the other one, just regular monogram, it would be like 600 and let me think. Let me take a quick look. It will be $620. And I do know that this item is available online in every style. So there's no longer, like, if you want to buy it in stores, you can, but if you want to, you can buy it online. It's completely in stock. I highly recommend this. I love this more than my key pouch because of the organization, and I feel like this is a great everyday wallet, and I will be using this as my everyday wallet except when I'm at work because I don't want to damage the leather. Let me know if you guys have this item. I will do a review in about a year because I will be using this every week, most of the week, and so it'll be a great, video in a year to see how the wear and tear is, because I'm hoping with the leather, while it may stretch out over time, I feel like if I condition it and everything, it will hold up a lot better than canvas and it won't crack. So my biggest fear is this having issues, the glazing. So hopefully this doesn't have any glazing issues, but if it does within the first year, I really will just take it back to the store and ask for it to either be fixed or exchanged, and most of the time they will exchange it. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys back in my next video. Bye!